This is Jack. Jack is in a bouncy mood. It's his birthday party today. He has invited the whole class. Jack's house isn't big enough for 23 kids. So this year he is having his party at a play center. Jack wakes up feeling very excited. He runs downstairs to the kitchen. It's my birthday party today, he shouts. Jack's mom and dad are eating breakfast.
You still have 4 hours before your party, says his mom. Come and have some breakfast. We'll get ready in a little while.
After breakfast, Jack says, I'm going to Billy's house. 4 hours is too long to wait by himself. Billy is Jack's best friend. She lives next door. Jack squeezes through the hole in the fence into Billy's backyard. He runs up to the back door and knocks on the glass. Billy's mom comes to the door. She is still in her dressing gown.
I am sorry, Jack, she says. Billy is sick.
She has been throwing up all night.